gonna put my window feeder, my bird window feeder together. So it comes with this little cup. It just fits right in and turns, and so it's secure. Then this piece slides onto this piece. On both sides, it kind of fits together. There you go. And then this piece, yep, it slides. See, has little grooves right here. Slides into these on both sides. That's how it's secured. And that's it, voila. This is where your bird seed goes, and then this back part is what goes on your window. And they sent these are what attaches with your windows.